Viewers, Pizza Hut and Domino's are two of the biggest pizza brands in the world. Their restaurants exist in almost every country, and millions of people eat their pizza every day. But have you ever wondered which of these two companies is actually bigger? Which company earns more money? Which brand has more restaurants? And which pizza brand is more popular in the world? I will tell you the complete history and comparison of Pizza Hut and Domino's. If we talk about history, Pizza Hut was started in the year 1958 in USA. It was founded by two brothers named Carney and Frank Carney. These two brothers were students at Wichita State University in Kansas. One day they decided to start a small restaurant business, but they did not have much money. They only had about $600, which they borrowed from their mother. With this money, they rented a small building in Wichita City and started their first pizza restaurant. The building was very small, and the signboard had space for only 8 letters. Because of this, they named their restaurant Pizza Hut. In the beginning, they had very few customers, but slowly people started liking their pizza. Their recipe was simple but delicious. As more people came to the restaurant, the business started growing. Soon the brothers decided to open more restaurants. Instead of opening every restaurant themselves, they started giving franchise rights to other people. This means other people could open Pizza Hut restaurants by paying a fee and following the company's rules. Because of this strategy, Pizza Hut expanded very quickly. Within a few years, hundreds of Pizza Hut restaurants opened across America. In 1971, Pizza Hut became the largest pizza restaurant chain in the world. This was a huge success for a company that started with only $600. After this, Pizza Hut started expanding internationally. They opened restaurants in many countries including Japan, Canada, and Australia. In 1977, a big company named PepsiCo bought Pizza Hut. PepsiCo wanted to grow its restaurant business, so Pizza Hut became part of their company. Later, PepsiCo created a separate company called Yum Brands to manage its restaurant chains. Today, Yum Brands owns several famous fast food companies including Pizza Hut, KFC, and Taco Bell. Friends, now let's talk about Domino's. The story of Domino's also started from a very small beginning. Domino's was founded in 1960 in Michigan, USA. It was started by two brothers named Tom Monaghan and James Monaghan. They bought a small pizza restaurant called Dominick's for about $900. Soon after starting the business, James Monaghan decided to leave the company. Instead of money, he took a small car as his share and left the business. After this, Tom Monaghan became the only owner of the company. Tom worked very hard to grow the business. He believed that fast delivery could make his pizza business different from others. So he focused mainly on delivering pizza to customers' homes. At that time, most restaurants served food only inside the restaurant. But Domino's introduced the idea of pizza delivery. This idea became very popular because people loved the convenience of ordering food at home. In 1965, Tom Monaghan changed the company's name to Domino's Pizza. The company logo originally had 3 dots. These dots represented the first 3 Domino's restaurants. Tom planned to add it every time a new restaurant opened, but the company grew so quickly that it became impossible to keep adding dots. During the 1970s, Domino's expanded rapidly across America. The company focused heavily on fast delivery. They even introduced a famous promise. They promised customers that pizza would be delivered within 30 minutes. If the delivery took longer than 30 minutes, the pizza would be free. This marketing strategy made Domino's extremely popular. Customers trusted Domino's for quick service. Because of this, the company grew very quickly. By the 1980s, Domino's had opened hundreds of restaurants. Soon after that, the company started expanding internationally. They opened restaurants in Canada, Europe, and Asia. Friends, both Pizza Hut and Domino's grew very fast, but their business strategies were different. Pizza Hut focused mainly on dine-in restaurants. Families could come, sit together, and enjoy pizza inside the restaurant. Their restaurants were bigger and designed like proper dining places. Domino's, however, focused mainly on delivery and takeaway. Their restaurants were usually smaller because most customers ordered pizza for home delivery. This difference in strategy helped both companies grow in their own ways. Now let's talk about their menu. Pizza Hut is famous for its wide variety of pizzas. They introduced many unique styles such as pan pizza and stuffed crust pizza. Their menu also includes pasta, garlic bread, desserts, and other side dishes. Domino's also offers different pizza flavors and side items like garlic bread, chicken wings, and pasta. But Domino's main focus has always been fast pizza delivery. Friends, now let's talk about ownership. Pizza Hut is owned by Yum Brands. Yum Brands is one of the largest restaurant companies in the world. It also owns famous brands like KFC and Taco Bell. Domino's is a separate company called Domino's Pizza Inc. Its shares are owned by investors around the world. Friends, now let's talk about locations and employees. Pizza Hut has more than 19,000 restaurants worldwide. These restaurants exist in more than 100 countries. Domino's has even more locations. It has over 20,000 stores around the world. This means Domino's currently has slightly more restaurants than Pizza Hut. Both companies provide jobs to hundreds of thousands of people. Their employees include chefs, delivery drivers, and restaurant staff. Friends, here is an interesting fact about Domino's. Domino's is known for using technology in the pizza business. It was one of the first pizza companies to introduce online ordering. Customers can order pizza using mobile apps and websites. Domino's also introduced pizza tracking systems. This allows customers to see when their pizza is being prepared and delivered. Because of this technology, Domino's delivery system became very efficient. Pizza Hut has also improved its technology over time. But Domino's is often considered a leader in digital pizza ordering. Friends, now let's talk about money and brand value. Both companies earn billions of dollars every year. Domino's global retail sales are more than $17 billion annually. Pizza Hut also earns billions through its worldwide restaurants. But in recent years, Domino's has grown faster than Pizza Hut. Domino's strong delivery system and digital ordering have helped increase its sales. Pizza Hut, however, remains one of the most famous pizza brands in the world. Overall, Pizza Hut and Domino's are both giant pizza companies. Both started from very small businesses with very little money. Both expanded through franchising and global expansion. And today, both companies serve millions of customers every day. But their business strategies are slightly different. Pizza Hut focused more on restaurant dining. Domino's focused more on fast delivery and technology. Because of this, Domino's currently has slightly more locations worldwide. However, Pizza Hut remains one of the most recognized pizza brands globally. But when it comes to taste, everyone has their own preference. Some people prefer the thick and cheesy pizzas of Pizza Hut. Others prefer the quick delivery and classic taste of Domino's. Friends, which pizza brand do you like more? Pizza Hut or Domino's?